Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, and I'm founder and CEO of Strot Consultech, running this business for last 5 years, focusing on small and medium businesses to grow, and running this initiative called as Hatke. We're talking to various personalities, owners of various businesses, different type of individuals who have dwelt into different types of subject areas, and we have Prantik Panigrahi today, who brings in a completely different dimension, something called as psychogeometrics, where he's an expert, apart from other subject areas that he is, being able to be expert in. And we'll delve into more and more details as we speak to him. Prantik, welcome to this platform.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so glad I'm here to the Hutke interview. Thank you so much.
Right. So it is pretty exciting, and what we were discussing with Prantik is, let's make it a little bit of kind of a rapid fire, a different type of interview, so that it will have more insights, more knowledge about what he knows, more about what we can learn from him. So everybody has to be excited about it, right, Prantik?
Thank you. Yeah,
Anything that, right?
I'm all excited. I'm all yours.
Right. Anything that you want to set as a context from your point of view, small introduction you want to give?
I'm into training from last 13 years, and I love dealing with people. I love talking to people. That's why I'm into this business, and I simply enjoy. So whenever there are people, I'll be there.
Super. Your company is named with a name Virappan or Viparan.
Vipran. Yeah,
So,
many people call it Virappan sometimes.
and I want to know, firstly, seriously, what is Viparan? And also then my question will be, how will you bring any similarity or not similarity between Virappan and Viparan?
Okay. Vipran means Brahma.
Okay.
Okay, Brahma, the creator, right? So, why did I thought of keeping this name? Because Vipran, the Brahma creation, we are creating a different mindset. We are creating positive people. We are creating a platform which helps, a training program which helps entrepreneurs, businessmen, housewives, working ladies, children to grow and make India a better place to work, better place to live, and better place to enjoy. So that's the whole
Super,
thing.
super.
And Virappan jo hai, Virappan has nothing to do with my company's name. I am the Virappan of Vipran.
All right.
I hijack.
All right. So how will you define the mustache that Virappan had some different
It's a Virappan with new look.
Okay, wonderful. So, in the current context, money is not flowing. Money is
Yeah.
not flowing in the business. So, what is the currency right now? What is the currency right now where money is not flowing, business are standstill? Is it a goodwill? What is the currency right now?
People.
People.
People. At any given point of the time, currency, I mean, money, the cash flow was never the currency of any of the business. It was always the people. Advanced technology, business strategies, whatever you put in, हमको लोग चाहिए है जो उस पे काम करें. वो डिजायर को, वो एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी, वो स्ट्रैटेजी को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए हमें लोग चाहिए हैं. And people have missed out. And this lockdown, this COVID became such a beautiful insight or beautiful opportunity कि अब इंसान इंसान को पहचानने लगा है, इंसान की अहमियत पहचानने लगा है. So the real currency is people. Invest in people. And ये बहुत पुराना एक proverb था. If you want to have returns for 1 year, invest in a tree. Invest in fruits, right? Invest in fruits. If you want to have returns after 5 years, invest in mangoes. Okay, that's that. But if you want to have an investment for a lifetime, invest in people.
Very good insight. I think moving on to something in jungle, you have a lion as a king, lion called as king of jungle, right? So in this current context, what is the king that you have in businesses right now?
What is the king I have?
What is the king or type of business which is a king business that one should adapt to in the current context of?
I don't know. I mean, I may not be able to tell you what would the king kind of business, but if I have to just take this analogy, a lion is the king of the jungle,
right?
But the lion has to go out and hunt.
True.
So आप कहीं पे भी रहिए, किसी भी business में रहिए, you have to go out and do the right things so that you can feed your stomach.
So what you're saying is that be like a lion, though it is a current context where you have some difficulties. Okay, wonderful. And then moving forward, typically you will find a bee always buzzing, making a buzz sound. So what is the current buzz that you see in the business?
I don't know. I mean, the current buzz right now is the whole strategy, whole जो भी plans थे, जो 2020 का plan रखा था कि हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, सब उखड़ गया है. Like अभी, like I'm from training fraternity, so सारा I've never done online workshops. I've never done that unless till 19th of March. Okay, 19th of March onwards, I started doing online sessions. So the whole buzz has become online. Now people children, right, schools, they have also come online. Okay, I've been invited to one of the institute in Pune to do a session, a 2-hour session online. I'll be addressing around 300 children. So training thing or teaching thing has totally come online. There would be few businesses which needs physical presence. However, I know a friend of mine who is giving interior designing, okay, teaching interior designing or consulting interiors over the Zoom platform, over the online platform.
Right.
Okay, तो वो भी हो गया है. Unless until जहाँ पे एक physical matter है या physical material है, rest everything has come online. So people now have become so innovative, and जो चीज एक challenge था, now they have adopted as the new normal. So I'm enjoying. So I may not be able to say what is the right buzz right now, but be ready for the change.
Wonderful. And you know what buzzes in mind of Prantik always? It keeps
Ideas. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैसे मैं नया वर्कशॉप कैसे डिजाइन कर सकता हूँ, हाउ कैन आई एड्रेस न्यू सेट ऑफ पीपल, like the new subject that I'm going to master, apart from the Helio Life, apart from psychogeometrics, apart from rest other thing, like my research subject, I mean for 7 years I studied on beliefs and patterns, the subconscious mind. The new subject that I'm now picking up is depression. Okay, I'll be mastering that subject in next 3 years. I'll be mastering that subject about depression. And I want to help people come out of depression.
Excellent.
So that's something that is buzzing up.
Excellent. I think it is pretty relevant to the current context, though we will not get into that, and we'll wait for you to really come out winner and look at how we can have more and more people to really get there. Now, switching a little bit of line, another type of hotcake question is, why snail is called a snail? And you can take time, but what is that a particular characteristic of snail that you will relate to the current context businesses that will make them sustain more?
Snail, okay. It knows when to hibernate, it knows when to come out, and it knows it can sense, though it does not have very strong eyes, but it can sense, it can touch and sense. It knows food kahan par hai, and whenever needed, it goes in the shell. Maybe I will take shell as a thinking time, the me time. Thoda sa socho, thoda sa rejuvenate karo, come back, then conquer the world kind of thing. But be steady, be steady.
Exactly, slow and steady. I believe that is the message as well. Get into the shell when you have current kind of a context. Safeguard your cash, safeguard yourself in the current way, and then make sure that you come out and keep rolling from where you have started. Tell me one more thing. I was wondering about the trail that it stays. A snail has a trail.
Yeah.
So how do you look at making that as a simile to maybe legacy of the business? Or
yeah, legacy. I call that as success leaves mark. Success leaves clues. Okay, so if you study any of the successful people, they always leave clues. They leave clues either in their workshops, their audios, videos, books. They leave clues. They leave clues how to move ahead. So that's why I always have a book. I have something to read all the time. Success leaves clues.
All right. Now tell me, Prantik, another thing that I am always thinking about when I meet you is what is the most difficult client that you have faced? Somebody with a straight face, not reacting at all. What is the kind of person that you will find most difficult to deal with?
I will not say a client has been very difficult. The only thing is, it only becomes difficult for me to handle if I'm not in the right state. Okay,
Mm.
if I am not in the right state of mind, only then I have faced challenges of dealing with the client, or else I have never faced.
Ah, so you know what message you're giving is that we as business owners have to be in the right state of mind,
Always,
whatever might be the situation,
always,
and that
always.
translates to how you interpret what is there. Is it something as an opportunity or a challenge or
Yeah,
something
totally,
negative? It's in our mind, right? So
totally.
keep yourself always charged up. Okay. Uh, Another question which is absolutely hotcake. COVID, COVID.
Hmm.
How do you want to kind of give a long form to that? COVID, a creative long form which will may say
Okay,
something.
okay. Give me some time. I'll create something. It will be running in the
Yeah,
back
yeah.
of the
You
mind.
can
I'll
you
come back
can
to it. Okay,
take your time.
I'll do that.
Right, and typically you have two eyes, right? And both are moving in sync. They are generating image.
Hmm.
So, what are the eyes of your business, and what is one eye talking to another eye in the
Okay,
current
वन आई
context?
टॉकिंग टू वन आई मेरी एक आंख दूसरे आंख को बोलती है कि आप इतने अट्रैक्टिव हो कि मेरी नजर आपसे हटती नहीं है इसलिए मेरी एक आंख ऐसी दिखती रहती है all
All
right
right.
I'll try to relate something okay something funny that I saw
Mm,
I've seen these hoardings okay I've seen these hoardings जहाँ पे शुभेच्छा वगैरह सब लिखा रहता है सब कुछ है एंड नीचे there are few photographs okay
mm,
of उनके वेल विशर जो होते हैं
हाँ.
जनरली वो किसी एक
बड़ा होर्डिंग रहता है, उसमें बोला रहता है कि यन्ना
शुभेच्छा
शुभेच्छा तन्ना शुभेच्छा, इनको गुड विश. हाँ, ओके.
द फनी पार्ट आई सी इन दैट इज नीचे जो रहते हैं किसी की नजर ऐसी किसी की नजर ऐसी किसका फोटो ऐसा मैं बोला ये जो ग्रुप है जो विश कर रहा है उन्हीं की नजर एक दिशा में फोकस नहीं है वो पार्टी क्या करेगा
You know what? You know what? You are giving an example of what your business should not be, in which all of your departments should look in the same direction.
the human beings are given the eyes both in front and अगर आप देखोगे you cannot move the two eyes in two different directions
Mm,
it is designed that way there are different animals who have eyes on the side and they can see other side there's a reason okay all the predators have eyes in front because they need to be focused so that they can attack okay so I think there's a book written the predator way करके आए okay so I think I've not read that book but I have that book तो उसमें भी है be focused okay and focus का देखिए FOCUS follow one course until successful
क्या बात है. Wonderful. I think it's an important message for the businesses to be always looking at. That reminds me looking at one thing and always doing one thing with a focus. That reminds me of Arjuna when asked, "What are you looking at?" And he
yeah
was looking at that eye
mm.
of that parrot, right? And that's way we have to we have to know our own parrot for the business, the target for your business, and the bullseye, what we want to
Totally
achieve, right?
and even with the focus if you see follow one course
Ah,
it's
क्या बात
not multiple do one thing. Look at all the successful people. They did one thing superbly well, and they create multiple sources after being very successful in one thing.
Excellent. You are reading so many books, maybe 2000, books.
Yeah.
Which one you will pick one and, the first one, and you get triggered by that book. Any message that you want to give from any book?
My all-time favorite book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I've learned maximum from that book. The workshop that I've created, the How Can I workshop, is designed. 70% of that book is 70% of that workshop is coming from that book. So it's very very. I mean, it changed my life. It changed the whole perspective. Because of that book, I have never fallen sick from last 10 years.
Oh, wow. So that's
Yeah.
that's amazing. Now talking about the subject area in which you are currently focusing and you are expert, psychogeometrics.
Hmm.
Can you give us some kind of a little bit of insight onto that psychogeometrics?
I feel blessed. I feel blessed having learned psychogeometrics. Okay, psychogeometrics is a science which helps you identify any person's likely behavior in the first less than 30 seconds of meeting them, probably. Okay, with practice, I mean, you can identify any person's likely behavior in first 30 seconds. And how does it help? Okay, first as a entrepreneur, as a salesperson. Okay, sales is very important. So if you're there for a sale, you will be able to identify the client's personality. So आप अपना अपना mind के gear change करके you can exactly speak in the language that he or she prefers to listen. As a parent, Okay, as a family member, there are different personalities even at home, your spouse, your children.
Mhm.
So there's a very strong bonding with the family members, which comes by learning psychogeometrics. As a manager, as a team manager, you will be able to identify the personality of the team members, and you can deal with them. So you become a better influencer, better manager in the organization. So there are different things.
Excellent, excellent. It takes me a little bit to some examples of personality behavior, and
Hmm.
maybe if I may ask some of the peculiar behavior in which you will see a person with closed hands, hands completely closed and,
Yeah.
and kind of leaning back.
Hmm.
Do you relate it to any shapes that way, or how does
No, we psychogeometry do not talk about this part. Psychogeometry is all
behavior?
about different things. It's total behavior. It's about the dressing, the talk. There's a lot of things. However, right now the language of body language, like closed hand is a closed one, closed mind as well.
Mhm.
Somehow it has become obsolete
Okay.
because if I'm sitting in a room where the AC is very chill, so by default I will go this way.
Okay.
So if I'm sitting this way, just because the AC is chill and probably I'm not comfortable right now saying that AC band kar do. So I'll be sitting this way. So it does not mean that I'm closed, just that I'm feeling chilled, feeling cold.
Right, right, right.
Okay, like a lot of things. I have a habit to sit back and cross my legs and listen this way
Mm-hmm.
or listen this way. But my legs are crossed. Many people think that legs crossed is highly authoritative, but my favorite listening position is that way.
All right. Good. So changing tracks further, if somebody from the history, like maybe Tilak or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose or maybe Gandhiji, nothing controversial, nothing really to touch those personality, are suddenly kind of transposed to the current state of
Hmm.
COVID.
Hmm.
What will they say? Or what will they do?
Amazing. If Gandhiji comes, okay, fine, fair enough. Lockdown hai. As it is, I've gone to jail so many times. It's a it's a lockdown for me, so I'm used to that.
Okay.
तिलक जी बोलेंगे ओके फाइन ग्रेट ओके तो वैसे भी होम स्कूलिंग मैंने स्टार्ट किया था चलो होम घर पे आ जाओ मैं पढ़ाना शुरू करता हूँ तिलक जी बोलेंगे सुभाष जी बोलेंगे ओके फेयर नो नो प्रॉब्लम तो हम जो करेंगे हम बैठ के स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाएंगे ताकि जब कोविड जब निकल जाएगा हम जाके जंग लड़ेंगे फिर से ऐसा
Solid, solid. So it all again transforms into something that the businesses should do in the form of Azad Hind Sena,
yeah totally
which was a message where तुम खून दो हम आज़ादी देंगे, right? So तुम शांतता दो हम business growth देंगे.
Totally. I mean,
Totally.
just a small phase.
And so I think you must be liking also cartoon films. I'm
I
looking
love.
at Kung Fu Panda, right?
I love it. That's one of my favorite movies.
Right. So I love Kung Fu Panda, and so Kung Fu Panda. If you want to identify Kung Fu Panda, the kind of a dragon warrior inside your business,
Yeah.
within your organization, how do you do that? Any kind of creative thoughts you want to give?
Okay, Kung Fu Panda अपने आप में पूरा एक मैसेज है. Okay, one person. I mean, जिसको nobody had faith. Only Oogway could see that he is the dragon warrior, but Shifu, the tigress, the monkey, the snake, the mantis, nobody believed. Especially Shifu, जो उसका master बाद में बना, he never believed. Now the thing is, what we see, I mean, as a manager, as a leader, what mistake that we do is we see the person as he or she is now, but we are not able to perceive what he or she will become after getting trained from us. Okay, वो शिफू वहां पे मिस कर रहा था एंड उवे बोल रहा था देयर आर नो एक्सीडेंट्स. ओके, फॉर समथिंग टू आई मीन बाद में कुंग फू पांडा का जो फादर था जो डक गूज था वो एक ही चीज बोला फॉर समथिंग टू बी स्पेशल. Okay, just have to believe it has to be special. So Shifu started to believe in that in the panda. So only when Shifu believed, okay, the panda became the dragon warrior.
And
it's a belief.
Absolutely, it is a belief in which if you see that Oogway changes his state of mind, saying that unless you believe as a owner of this to become teacher in true sense, to be able to teach him as a student, unless you accept it, nothing is going to happen.
That's clear.
And also there is some message about motivation that is for motivation, what do you require? Is it money? The way that Kung Fu Panda is motivated across the whole journey, and finally he finds. So, do you want to say that how was the motivation theory applied
Uh,
there?
Now, what Shifu did is, he just realized that everybody gets motivated in different way. Everybody learns in a different way. Okay, so सबका learning style अलग है. Tigress जो था, she was ferocious, तो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा fighting कर दिया. But Kung Fu Panda का motivation was food. Okay, उसको food से करना है, तो वहां से उसने start किया. So as a leader, हमको ये समझना जरूरी है, and that is where
Mm.
psychedelics help actually. तो as a leader हमको ये समझना जरूरी है कि what would uh, press this. Okay, motivation, I generally don't talk about that word basically, but what influences this person a lot.
Superb.
How will that person get influenced? What triggers him? What triggers her? Okay, what will make him or her go extra mile?
Right.
वो अगर मैनेजर समझ जाएगा, it's done. I say it in a formula. M is equal to D into P.
Okay.
M is equal to D into P. It really helps. M is motivation. If you really want your people to be motivated, as a manager, as a leader, आपका role क्या है? D and P. Know your team members' desire. Multiplied by show them the probability of success
Superb.
through the organizational path. If you are able to identify the desire and if you are able to show them the probability of success, the employee is always motivated. They'll
Superb.
never
I
give
think
up.
it absolutely relates back, and the fun about the way that Kung Fu Panda eventually reaches and catches the dumpling at the end,
Yeah,
which is the thing that gets motivated him, and eventually he's supposed to eat it because hunger has been his motivation.
yeah,
But then he says, "Okay, I've got it. What should I do with that?"
nothing.
Hunger
I'm no
is
more
no
hungry.
more the motivation for him. So I think we need to find out within our organization, where is that dumpling, or who is
Dumpling
hungry
and Kung
about,
Fu Panda both.
and who is hungry for what.
Yeah, totally. D into P.
Into P. Excellent. In now, since we know BNR, like a network organization,
Yeah,
they talk about givers gain.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I have been thinking about it, and I find it a more spiritual way. If you want to look at it in a hatki way. So,
Hmm.
do you think that it triggers some kind of hormone, happy hormone in the brain by giving,
Oxytocin.
right?
It's secret. See, I mean, givers gain. अगर आप देखोगे, भले एक business community में like BNI, they are given a name but if you look at the nature, the whole nature works only in givers gain policy. Hafiz, the Persian poet, उसने क्या लिखा है? Okay, now if I have to talk about the nature, कैसा हुआ है? अभी अभी ठंडी स्टार्ट होने वाला है, थोड़े कुछ महीने बाद ठंडी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, लकड़ी लगाते हैं, मराठी में शिकुटी बोलते हैं, तो बॉन
Mm,
फायर करते हैं,
mm.
तो लकड़ी लगा देते हैं. इफ यू जस्ट वेट और लकड़ी को ये बोलो, फर्स्ट गिव मी वार्मथ, देन आई विल गिव यू फायर, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. ओके, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट गिव द फायर, देन यू रिसीव द वार्मथ. एक बैरन फील्ड है, एक फर्टाइल लैंड है, पहले सीड डालना पड़ता है, ओनली देन द wheat grows, the trees grows. Okay, and Hafiz givers gain कितना beautiful बोलता है. Sun for millions of years has just been giving light on this earth without expecting anything from the
Wow.
earth. Okay, and look what has happened. All the trees, just for gratitude, they all move towards the sun. और उसको हाफिज ऐसा बोलता है, even after all these years, the sun never said to earth, you owe me.
Give me back. Mm.
You owe me. Sun has never said to earth, you owe me. Look what that kind of love has done. It has brightened up the whole sky. Give us gain.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. I think I remember, if you permit me, basically a Marathi poem, small poem, which says, "देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, देता देत घेता घेता एक दिवस देणाऱ्याचे हात घ्यावे." So basically, take that gesture,
Yeah,
attitude of giving from that
giving.
person. So you take that attitude. I think this is wonderful to way to look at the whole gamut of how businesses get formed with the
Yeah,
theme. Though people
totally.
don't understand what is the crux behind it. No, I always find people, having being charged up, and that is, as you said, that hormone which helps, and it
Oxytocin.
almost, yeah, oxytocin, and it almost gets you kind of addicted positively to be very positive, which is a good thing, and that's what should happen, and that's where
That should happen, and I fail to understand why people don't understand that. Okay, they don't know. I mean, even in fact, love. अगर देखोगे, love is a verb. Love is an action verb. Okay, it starts by action, by giving. Okay, for me, love का definition is unilateral declaration of affection.
wow.
It is never give and take. Okay, many people say that love is give and take. No, love is give. If you receive, if you get it back, then receive. It is love, give and receive.
Wow,
ओके,
that's a good
चंद्रशेखर
message.
गोखले जी भी जैसे आपने मराठी का बोला, तो उनका वो चार ओलिया जो होता है, तो मैंने वो पढ़ा था काफी साल पहले. मिठी. ओके, ओके, मिठी हा शब्दात केवढी मिठास आहे. गिवर्स गेन का देखो कितना सुंदर है. मिठी हा शब्दात केवढी मिठास आहे, नुसत्या उच्चारला तरी कृतीचा भास आहे.
क्या बात है, beautiful.
And the hug itself is so beautiful. You cannot give a hug without receiving a hug.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
Many people fail to understand.
That's where I also love this Munna Bhai MBBS, in which he gives that Jadoo Ki Jappi, where it means a lot about appreciation, and we should take that message back to our own organizations and businesses, where if you actually go and give a Jadoo Ki Jappi to your customer, not physically but in a way of a gesture, if you do it for your security at the gate, if you do it for the employee who is running a lathe machine, making his life, or maybe a welder who is actually spoiling his eyes, or somebody working on a chemical, he or she will actually really come out as a winner, right? I think that's something that
a lot of things. I mean, there are so many things. I mean, gratitude have. I'll share one incident. What happened is, I conducted a workshop, and last part of the workshop was about gratitude. So I gave cards, okay, gratitude cards, and I gave 3 cards to each. Okay, and next day, I just wanted them to come back again for the second day of the workshop, and let's talk about that part. So I gave 3 cards to each. एक जो है, एक उनको अपने बॉस को देना है, एक सबऑर्डिनेट को देना है, और एक जो है अपने फैमिली मेंबर को देना है, saying thank you about that. Second day, okay, I was about to start the whole session, and I just took a recap of how was your evening session. Did you give the gratitude? One of the leader, okay, one of the leader, one of the very profound position पे वो काम करते हैं, he started to cry. Okay, and he said, "Thank you, Prantik, for giving this. What happened? Why you're crying?" He said that I went last night to my child's room to give gratitude card to him. When I gave it to him, he started to cry and said that, "Papa, मुझे लगा कि आप मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करते हो, and thank you, आपने बताया, अगर आज ये नहीं मिलता तो मैं आज रात को सुसाइड करने वाला था."
Okay. I think that says a lot, where we have to give those cards back, not only to the families, but all related, right?
So many.
It's definitely touching. Going a little bit on a different track, and a little bit lighter track, some story that we always read, Hare and Tortoise, right? Right? I want you to tell me.
I have a different take on that.
So I want you to tell me something which is in the current context, and whatever you have in mind. So I want a different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, initially, when you said the snail ka example, so I just used the word, you have to be steady. Okay. However, slow is not my thing. Okay, I'm a speed person. So we खरगोश और कछुए की कहानी बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. कछुआ जाता है खरगोश को चैलेंज करता है रेस में. I don't know which language, but they did. Okay, great, fantastic. अब दोनों रेस शुरू होता है और रेस स्टार्ट हो गया. खरगोश भागता है और वो स्पीड क्यों भाग गया? बिकॉज उसके जीन्स में स्पीड भागना. ओके, इट इज डिजाइन टू रन स्पीड. ओके, सो वो स्पीड में जाता है, आगे आकर रुक जाता है, पीछे मुड़ता है. इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, फिनिश लाइन दिख रहा है बट रुक जाता है, पीछे मुड़ के देखता है, हाँ कछुआ वो पीछे है, चल मैं सो जाता हूँ. तो सो गया, और वो कछुआ धीरे 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 चल के आता है, फिनिश लाइन क्रॉस करता है. And whosoever has written that, all due respect, but however, for me right now, अभी के context में it is totally tougher writing. The tougher writer ये लिखता है कि Slow and steady wins the race. My take in that is, अगर आपकी जीत किसी की बेवकूफी पे निर्भर करती है, वो जीत नहीं है. वो खरगोश बेवकूफ था जो सो गया. सब खरगोश बेवकूफ नहीं होते, सब खरगोश सोते नहीं है. खरगोश के जीन्स में है, अगर वो कछुए के साथ रेस लड़ेगा, जीतेगा. It is designed to be. Okay, so just identify you are that khargosh already. Do not sleep in between.
Wonderful, nice message. Maybe if I take another variant of this story, and you can think about third one.
Yeah.
In this world of competition, eventually they come to a river, and Khargosh knows how to swim. Tortoise knows how to swim, but this hare does not know. So they decide to collaborate. So they have the hare sitting on the tortoise, and they cross the river. So there's first degree of collaboration. When it comes to area in which they have to cover certain distance very fast, then tortoise climbs on hare's back, and they travel together, and they win actually together. And it is basically where it is a teamwork, it is a collaboration, it is like not looking at others deficiencies as deficiencies, but something that you can collaborate and join together to make sure that we all succeed. I think that is another message that I wanted.
Yeah, I have read those version of it. So just to talk about it, जैसा आपने एक word बोला, competition. Okay, I really want to give a message to all the people. Understand where that word competition is coming from. Competition is coming from the word compete, which intrinsically means to conspire. साजिश करना. If you are putting your children with the mindset कि competition है world में तुमको आगे लड़ना है, आप उनको साजिशी बना रहे हो. If you are putting continuously, see देखो competition है, सब कुछ है, agreed, but if you just focus on what you can do the best, okay, instead of just fighting, going out and fighting unnecessarily, do what you can do the best, you will grow. Somehow I don't believe in competition.
Absolutely, actually, today I was speaking to a friend, and this came today only, where he started saying, what will competition look at if at all, I open all these cards to the world, they will compete, right? I said, no, look at it as they will complete. Some words apart, but they will complete. See, what you're doing is finding a gap which is not there in a market, and you are moving ahead first. You have a first mover's advantage, so you will complete it. If they take it as a competition, let them compete, let them come behind you, but you are first mover, they cannot catch you up.
Yeah, there's a company in Japan. What do? They call every year, they call up their competitors at their own expense. Okay, at their own expense, they call all the competitors, कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं 2 दिन का पूरा. और ये जापानीज कंपनी जो एक साल में, पिछले साल में हर वो चीज किया जिससे सक्सेस मिला, दे टीच इट टू द कॉम्पिटिटर्स.
क्या बात है.
हाँ, और जब उनको पूछा गया व्हाई डू डू दैट, कि इफ वी आर ओनली मूविंग अहेड इट विल बिकम बोर फॉर अस. कोई तो कंपटीशन चाहिए.
क्या बात है. सो
दैट वुड बी रियल कंपटीशन, कि भाई आप अपने ओपोनेंट को भी सिखा रहे हो कि ये सारी चीजें करो, विल रन द रेस टुगेदर, फिर देखते हैं कौन जीतता है. दैट इज द रियल कंपटीशन. That is a real collaborative competition.
And that shows how confident you are about what you're doing. Exactly. Nobody can touch you. And I remember Sachin Tendulkar, who has scored so many runs, made so many records. And he was saying, he was asked, why are you doing so? He says, just I am doing my duty. That's it. I mean, it is not about having records, but it is something that I'm just doing it. Wonderful. I think switching to a little bit of different tracks, I'm sure that you like Hindi movies also.
I love it.
Actors like Rishi Kapoor and Irfan Khan. And unfortunately, you lost them recently. So, condolences to them. But what is the message, if you want to take out from what they've done, for what they have faced? What is the message, maybe independently, if you think about one or many?
Yeah, I mean, I love Bollywood. I watch movies. मतलब ऐसा है कि थिएटर में मूवी जाके देखना लाजमी है मेरे लिए. Okay, देखना है. A message from Rishi Kapoor. Okay, I saw one of his interview. जहाँ पे I didn't see his interview, but somebody was talking on his behalf or for him. So Rishi Kapoor was offered a movie. Okay, Rishi Kapoor was offered a movie And he said that this movie is fantastic. I would really love to do, but I mean, and that is for a hero role. तो बोले कि मैं अब मेरी उम्र वो हो गई है कि मैं हीरो रोल नहीं करना चाहूंगा. Give it to someone else who can do that. Okay, that is the humility, that is the awareness I saw. He got to know that this is the age that I have to stop doing hero
He's grounded.
as a hero, as a leader. So he stepped back. So the whole idea is you should know when to step in and when to step back.
Right.
Okay. Irfan Khan, I mean, very frankly, I mean, Irfan Khan जो है, I loved his voice. The kind of voice रखते थे and वो जो style में रखते थे. I always found that he is a brutally, very honest to his work kind of person. I don't know much of his background. Probably, I believe हर कोई जैसे start होता है वो humble background से ही start हुआ होगा.
Right.
So going to that level, okay, being from that humble background and there, so it takes a lot. And he had the guts to do different roles. He had the guts. So now Rishi Kapoor और इरफान खान दोनों को जोड़ते हैं, have humility and have guts.
That basically translates to businesses to always be grounded. Don't take things which are more than what you can deserve, can chew. So you don't bite more than what you can chew. And also, I think hard work was part of Irfan's life, and he realized that he is having that kind of problem, and he lived that life, whatever was remaining, with the notion that eventually that end is likely to come. So even if we know that end is coming for any businesses or a business line or a lead or a kind of thing that we are doing, keep doing till that you see it. You always get to the bridge. Whenever you want to cross it, then only cross it. Don't just worry ahead of time. I think that is something.
Worry is a waste of imagination.
Right. Worry is definitely, yeah, absolutely. So you must be having a little bit of a different track, but you must be having your own role models. I have Ratan Tata, so I'm trying to ask you. But if you meet Ratan Tata or somebody that you are absolutely fascinated to be meeting in a life, that if I meet in an elevator, what you will see, what you will say.
This is the only question I ask to any phenomenally well-known person I interview. आप कैसा सोचते हो? जब challenge आता है, what is the first thought process? जब opportunity आता है, what is the first thought process? I just want you to catch. If I have to tell very frankly, where is this coming from? Is that okay? I share the story.
Absolutely.
Okay. I was having lunch with my mentor, Mr. Shamlullah. So I was having lunch with him, and this is a message to all of you. Okay, many people they are misguided of what to learn from other people. Okay, so I was having lunch with him, and I really admired that man. Okay, so I told him, Shyam, मुझे आपके जैसा बनना है. The next moment he answers, sorry प्रांतिक, तू मेरे जैसे नहीं बन सकता. क्यों? बोलते हैं तू मुझसे 2 इंच लंबा है, मैं तुझसे 2 टोन ज्यादा गोरा हूँ, तू ग्रेजुएट है, मैं 12 पास हूँ, तू बैचलर है, दैट टाइम 2003 में बैचलर था मैं, तो तू बैचलर है, मैं शादीशुदा हूँ, मुझे 8 साल का बच्चा है, तो जॉब बैकग्राउंड से, मैं बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, तू जो गाड़ी चलाता है दैट इज काइनेटिक होंडा, मैं जो गाड़ी चलाता हूँ दैट इज फोर्ड आइकन, तू जिस घर में रहता है वो 35 लाख है, मैं जिस घर में रहता हूँ 1.5 करोड़ का है. तो ये सारी चीजों की वजह से तू मेरे जैसे नहीं बन सकता. ठीक है, अब इतना सब रीजंस दे दिया, अब क्या करूं, मैं खा रहा था. फिर 2 मिनट के बाद बड़े आदाब से वो बोलता है कि प्रांतिक, you can still become like me. How? And then he gave me that answer कि only if you start thinking like me.
क्या बात है?
That day I realized why people succeed. It is the thinking process. After that, I have stopped copying. I have stopped. I admire people who have BMW. I admire people who are very rich. I do that. But more than that, I would like to capture that thought process. वो सोच की वजह से वहां पे गए हैं, मैं वो सोच पकड़ना चाहूंगा, मैं उधर पहुंचाऊंगा.
क्या बात है? I think it's a strong message about thought process, and yeah, it resonates pretty deep into my heart, because it is something that if I go a little bit further, and if you permit me, we can elaborate on that. It's about if one thinks, one puts it on a piece of paper or somewhere, announces it that this is what it is, though it is something that is in future, this will be reality.
हाँ,
Is that
100%.
something? Is that something that resonates?
That's how the goal. आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जाए ना, सब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्यों डिक्लेयर कर रखते हैं इन द ईयर 2025 वी विल बी वर्ल्ड लीडर इन सो एंड सो कंपोनेंट्स एंड वी वुड बी डूइंग a $10 million turnover. That's a success principle. Write down and declare.
Excellent. Do you want to kind of relate it with something that we have been doing in old past days of Rishi Muni, where you had, inviting everybody for any kind of a celebration,
Hmm.
uh, and declaring that okay, this is what it is. So, do you think that is inheriting from there
It
in
was
Vedas?
always there. It was always there. The thing is, first of all, understand, you have to live the future in present.
Hmm.
If you really want, manifestation का rule ये है कि future को present में जीना है, at least mind में. Okay, I hosted a party a month back that was act as if party. So around 53 people had logged in, and हमने Zoom पे ही किया था, तो act as if party किया था. I mean, people from Chennai, सब तरफ से आए थे, and they were all dressed up कि 5 साल बाद वो कहाँ पे हैं, क्या हैं,
क्या बात
उसको
है?
आज जी रहे हैं. So we had celebrated act as if party. So ये जो है ये जमाने से है. The thing is, पहले किताबें नहीं थी, तो how they used to remember everything. So जब सारे examples होते थे, तो it would always create an image in their mind. अब धीरे धीरे जो हो गया, books भी आगे सब कुछ है, but the principle does not change. You have to imagine, you have to visualize. Okay, you have to first plan, then visualize, then work, have enough confidence. Okay, and be okay to fail.
Wonderful, wonderful. I think that's how we relate back to our history and mythology, basically, and then eventually see what are the principles, whatever principles that we have right now, definitely have roots back.
Always.
Switching further, crow as a bird is black. It makes that typical sound. What is a crow, if at all we have to look at the businesses? But there are some good characteristic, and in all critical, if you see aspects, crow is definitely introduced, but not other birds or animals. So, do you relate to anything? Do you want to say anything about that bird as such,
I don't have anything for that. However,
or any other bird?
the eagle, I love eagle by the way.
Okay.
Okay. However, something about like this प्रकाश समझे कि वो क्रो जो है या फिर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो अगर ऐसा कुछ भी अगर होता है, आई वुड रियली लाइक टू से कि भाई क्रो है, काला दिखता है, बड़ा अजीब सा साउंड करता है. If we start to describe that crow that way, that means we are discriminating with something that we have in our mind. I'll give you an example. What happened is I was talking to one of my friend अज्ञात नाम है उनका, तो उनसे बातचीत कर रहा था मैं, and I saw he was working with slum people, and he was training the slum children. So I just asked him one thing, and that was the biggest lesson I learned last year about the language to use. He said that I asked him, "Ki Agyat, how can you have a heart to train and deal with them?"
This kind of people, yeah.
Them. I use the word. How can you deal with them? He just answered, "I just remove the barrier of me and them." I mean, I really thank Agyat for that. I'm blessed with amazing teachers in my life. So उसने इतना बड़ा barrier तोड़ दिया है, and after that I started to work on the judgment part. And you know the definition that I have for judgment? Judgment is murder of what actually is.
All right, that's judgment. So you create judgment. You make judgment.
And the thing is, judgment is if you're judging anyone, you are killing what that person actually is, what that thing actually is. If that person is existing, I do not like that person, but that person is existing, God loves that person. God has not executed that person. God has put that person on this earth, and that person is also breathing. I am no one to judge.
Wonderful, wonderful. So going back to the crow, the black, eventually is the most critical messenger. If you see, if if the crow crows, then it is said that somebody is coming. So it is
हाँ,
a
मेहमान
messenger.
क्या बोलते हैं?
End ceremony that you have, where unless crow eats that particular thing, you don't see
हाँ.
that any atma is free.
Yeah, I've heard that. I've
So
heard.
you have also to have crows in your organization. Might be really black, might be really looked down upon, which is not the thing that we should do, as you are rightly
The
said.
the the washerman toilet जो clean करता है, there
Yes.
might be now I have seriously now if I have to relate with that I have got crazy stories with that. I don't understand. I mean just एक education का difference है. इस वजह से वो उस जगह पे हम यहाँ पे उनकी मजबूरी है जो कि वो टॉयलेट क्लीन करते हैं
Yes.
and now he's just a human being. He's just
Mm.
a human being. So I don't know why discrimination कर रखते हैं and I promise to all the manager leaders
Mm.
अगर वो टॉयलेट क्लीनर 2 दिन नहीं आएगा ना यू विल स्टॉप यूजिंग दैट टॉयलेट इतना बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है देयर इज अ पर्सन इन साउथ अफ्रीका जोहान्सबर्ग इज इन साउथ अफ्रीका राइट इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग
Johannesburg.
जोहान्सबर्ग एयरपोर्ट पे एक आदमी है उसका नाम थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है मुझे प्रोनाउंस करना सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू प्रोनाउंस दैट पर्सन इफ यू एंटर टू द टॉयलेट ही स्माइलिंगली वेलकम्स इनटू द टॉयलेट एंड सेज वेलकम टू माय ऑफिस
क्या बात है. With that, actually, I remember one story which was forwarded in the Tata Group.
हाँ.
There had been always complaint about a toilet which is for the workers, right? And it has been always the local management tried all the possible things, कि ये करो वो करो, but it was never clean. And this leader comes, and if I'm not mistaken, Sumant Mulgaonkar, Sumo, the vehicle is named
अच्छा
after
सुमो
him.
सुमो
Okay,
हाँ
he just looked at it. He just said, okay, fine, this nameplate here, just move it to the executive toilet and make this as the executive toilet. That's it. So you have to get a pulse where you want to bring a change,
yeah,
right? All right. Another kind of a hotcake question I would like to ask is, Apple is in the world, Apple as a company. Now, can you think about a creative way in which you want to build another company which is Indian? No, all this, we don't want to get there. Either it is American, Chinese, British, nothing about it. But Apple, we want to make some Indian company like that, which will have, so if at all all the products that are named after iPhone, iPod and all. Can you think about a particular company that we want to create for India? You can take time.
Okay. I have done software graduation. Okay, by qualification I'm a software graduate. So हमारा एक subject था Let's See. तो मेरे उस वक्त एक फैसिनेशन था कि if I कभी एक शॉप बनाऊंगा या कोई होटल बनाऊंगा मैं उसको नाम देना चाहूंगा लेट्स सी. ओके सो अगर ऐसा कोई कंपनी हो तो लेट्स नेम इट एज लेट्स सी.
ओके
कहाँ पे जाना है लेट्स सी. ओके आज रात को डिनर कहाँ पे करें लेट्स सी. ओके कंपनी ये फोन कौन सी कंपनी है लेट्स सी. so that would be the name of the company I would like to keep. एंड फोन जो है अगर आप देखो आईफोन बहुत आई हो गए चलो वी फोन बनाते हैं. वी फोन बनाते हैं.
सुपर. I thought it could be C phone from what.
वैसा भी कर सकते हैं but C has a very different connotation in many people's minds, so I'm not using that.
All right. All right. Now this we have been conversing about video conferencing, digital use of digital. So there is this tool called a Zoom. Zoom, right? Whatever the reason that they have named it like that. I believe that since you also named your company with a Sanskrit name or some kind of a thoughtful name, if you have to name it in Sanskrit or some other word, Zoom, what you would think about naming this app?
अच्छा संस्कृत मेरी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
नहीं, whatever.
Okay. मैं because I've learned उर्दू में उर्दू में उसको नाम देगा कुर्बत दूंगा नाम. कुर्बत. कुर्बत means नजदीकियां.
Okay, so that's where you connect.
I had people from US attending the workshop. I had people from Australia, Dubai, London attending my workshop. I never been to those countries. Okay, so इतने दूर वाले लोग कुर्बत आ गए. क्या बात. मैं कुर्बत देना चाहूँगा.
Right, this hotcake concept is composing of H for health, A for attitude, E for technology. We have spoken about technology. A for attitude, being positive. Health. You have to maintain your health. You've talked about, if I'm not good, I cannot face, right? The right
Totally.
perspective. Key for knowledge, and
Okay.
you've been proponent of knowledge, reading books, spreading knowledge, spreading the things that you have already done, spreading the ethos about how to be, who you should be. And E for engagement. I think you brought this word kurbat to really complete that circle, I believe.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Now, a little bit twist question. If we replace left hand side of your brain, not your, but somebody's brain, with right hand side brain, what will happen in this current context?
Okay, it will just take 40 days for anybody to adapt that. Bas. It's just 40 days. For 40 दिन तो normal. They will get back to the whole thing. सिर्फ हेमिस्फीयर चेंज करने से बेहतर है उसके अंदर का कंटेंट चेंज करो. हार्डवेयर रहने दो, उसका सॉफ्टवेयर चेंज करो, वायरस उसके अंदर घुसा हुआ है.
So tell me, how much of time that it takes? You said 45 days is the time that one has to take practicing same thing in a different way if you have to change a habit, or some message you are giving?
I mean, if you really want to take that way, I'll extend it. It takes 66 days to form any habit. So अगर किसी को 21 days का अगर फॉर्मूला मालूम है तो 2014 के बाद से वो खारिज हो गया है, उसका रिपोर्ट आ चुका है. It now takes 66 days to form any habit. Okay. And NASA में ये एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया था. The astronauts, because they are in no gravity zone area, तो अलग अलग होता है उनसे. So they put a lot of experiments on them. तो उनको concave lenses दिए थे. Okay, concave lenses में everything is upside down. Okay, and left का right में हो जाता है वो सब. So they were asked to keep on wearing it day in and day out without removing it, even while taking bath and even while sleeping. They cannot remove it. Okay, and they kept on having it. So by the end of 40 to 60 days, उस range के अंदर, okay, everybody got normalized with the concave lens.
Oh, they got habituated. They got used to it. They
internalized it. They developed new neurons which got habituated with that concave lenses.
Right. I think
so it will take 40 days. किसी भी चीज को 40 days at least लगातार कर लो, you will be nearing the habit part. और 20 दिन 26 दिन एक्सटेंड कर दोगे, हैबिट का पूरा हो जाता है. तो पूरा ब्रेन में न्यूरॉन्स बनने के लिए takes 40 days, हैबिट बनने के लिए takes 66 days. Behavior.
Excellent. So it becomes kind of your muscle memory, as it is called.
Muscle memory, neurons memory also.
Excellent. And that is a message for any change that we are bringing in the organization. If you really want to not give it up.
Don't give up.
66 is the number.
Right? 66 days is the number.
Right.
A.R. Rahman from the film Guru, Hairate Ashiki hai.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Hairate Ashiki hai. The thing is, अगर इसको आशिकी की तरह देखो तो एकदम हैरत है यार क्या हो गया.
It's a perspective. You're saying it is a perspective how you look.
It's a perspective,
right?
See, many people created opportunities out of it. Many people. अब देखिए, somebody created a new business also. Mask sanitizer का एक नया business start हो गया उनके लिए. Thousand कितना demand में आ रहा है. I created new opportunity by online courses. Many people created different kind of things. Okay. मतलब खुद का potential expand करने का मौका मिला. A lot of things happened. Okay, so it's just a matter of perspective. आप कैसा देखते हो? The moment you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Okay, so बहुत मायने रखता है. Gulzar Saab, I mean, he's my favorite poet. So he writes amazingly well. So उनका एक गजल है, इट्स टू रोमांटिक, लेकिन अगर इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में बोलूं तो शायद ऐसा हो जाएगा कि तुम अपने चेहरे पर खींच लेना हया का आंचल. तुम अपने चेहरे पर खींच लेना हया का आंचल, मैं हौले हौले उसे उतार लूंगा.
क्या बात है. So
बिजनेस सिनेरियो अपने आंचल लगा रहे, हम निकाल लेंगे. हम क्या बोलते हैं, हम वैसे पार्क की नजर रखते हैं, निकाल लेंगे.
So we have to be looking at it so romantically, so positively, not so positively, it's beyond that. It's romantically eventually to deal with it.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, and the most important part is जितना हम उसको negatively बात करते रहेंगे, the opportunity doors will keep on closing.
Right. So moving forward, another question that you might take time, but what is the similarity or differences between omelette and a business? Omelette.
Where are you getting these questions from? I put myself in trouble. Okay.
Maybe
Okay,
I can.
let me start with the egg. Okay,
Yeah.
there's just one egg. Okay, but there are so many cuisines. You can make an omelette, you can make a cheese omelette, you can make a masala omelette. मैं Facebook पे देखते रहता हूँ. There are different ways of making omelets also. वो छन्नी में डाल के करते हैं. I learned another way which I practiced is egg को पहले पूरा shake कर दो. Okay, yolk and the albumin पूरा mix हो जाता है, and then do it. So it becomes yellow omelette altogether. There is no white there. So वो सारी चीजें मैं कर रहा हूँ, सीख रहा हूँ मैं एक और जो कर रहा हूँ, मैं एग को फ्रीज कर दिया हूँ.
Okay.
एंड टुमारो उसको वैसा निकाल के वो कट करेंगे और फिर उसको फ्राई करने वाले हैं.
Solid state में. Okay.
Solid state में उसको कर रहे हैं. So lot of things I am learning. So ऐसा. So it is just that one egg. Okay, but there are so many cuisines that can be made. Okay. So I mean this is one earth. Okay. Opportunity is always in abundance. अब वो एग को अगर मैं अपॉर्चुनिटी की तरह लेता हूँ, मैं उसको मेरे हिसाब से जो मुझे शौक है, मैं उसको कौन सा बिजनेस बना सकता हूँ, कैसा बिजनेस बना सकता हूँ.
Right. It's basically, yeah, you go ahead, please.
Yeah, and most importantly, it is okay to ask and learn and implement.
Excellent.
Many people make that mistake of not asking. खुद ही खुद के दिमाग में चलाते हैं, बैंड बजाते हैं.
I relate this omelette to basically Kung Fu Panda, where secret of soup.
There's nothing.
There's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing. It's a belief that you have something special in yourself. That is something that I would like to, maybe highlight here. Second thing, even if you look at what is the scroll, what is the message for Kung Fu Panda, for to be a dragon warrior? What is the message? It's a mirror. It's you. It's looking at yourself. It's you. It's within yourself. I think that's how we should look at anything that you want to relate with your own business. I think that's the thing. Let's have maybe a last question of this round. Again, a little bit hatke. I wanted for us to a little bit brainstorm on how is yoga and business, similarities, differences. Yoga poses. You have Surya Namaskar. You have Tadasana, where you stand straight. You have different types of poses, and the business. So do you like yoga?
I like yoga. I have learned yoga, but I do not practice. I practice a bit of jogging and walking, and cycling, and I do meditation. So that's what I do. But I am aware of yoga, and I have learned also. But I don't practice. I practice.
Right.
My favorite asana is Shavasana. First disclaimer.
Okay.
Now वो जो 12 आसन हम करते हैं, जो सुबह सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं, 12 poses जो होते हैं, in a way that is making the body flexible, okay, and ready for the day. Okay? So business के लिए भी, I mean, we have to be doing some yogas to be ready for the day. For me, okay, to start my day, I have an hour of power, okay, which is divided in 20-20-20.
Okay.
20 minutes of exercise, 20 minutes of meditation, 20 minutes of reading.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay, so this hour of power, I do it for keeping myself ready for the whole day.
Wonderful. I think each one has to, some messages that each one has to pick up the asana from yoga, a type of yoga that we have to look at, and keep your business flexible, keep your business ready, keep your individuals absolutely tuned, tweaked to really focus on the things that you are defining. So as we kind of wrap up, so any kind of message that you want to give, Prantik, to others who are actually aspiring to grow, aspiring to become somebody like you, to learn maybe the things that you are knowing, maybe read more than 3,000 books. Any message that you want to give?
Okay. First of all, one of the question that I have left it unanswered, that full form of COVID, कुछ acronym का अगर मैं बना सकता हूँ तो I'm just trying it out. Okay.
Yeah.
Create. Okay.
Yeah.
Operate. Visualize. Okay. Internalize. And dedicate yourself to it.
Yeah, wonderful, superb, excellent. I think Prantik, this was one of the I would say rapid fire kind of a series, and we discussed that we want to have it that way, and that's where my honest submission is this: none of these questions were known to Prantik. I did create. I also used this, took this as a challenge to create some really crazy or out of the world question for him. So thank Prantik to be agreeing to that and spending this time with us, spreading the positivity and the growth dimension that you want to.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. And all our best wishes to you, Prantik, for your personal growth as well as professional growth. May you grow and get whatever numbers that you are having in mind to have maybe a lakh of people getting trained in
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs of people getting trained in psychogeometrics, and all those targets that you're keeping. We are wishing you that you will not meet them but beat them.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All the best and thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you. God bless. Bye.
बिजनेस कोई भी हो, सक्सेस की नींव हम रखते हैं।
बुलंदियों को छूने की आपके अरमानों की उम्मीद जगाती जोत है, हर सपनों का हम स्रोत है।
सही स्ट्रेटेजी, परफेक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग और बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए हम आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आपकी स्वप्न पूर्ति करते हैं। स्त्रोत कंसल्टेक, सिनर्जाइजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन।